Hello students, let's continue with the discussion of our chapter Human Beings and Nature. The specific objective of today's topic is ecofeminism. Students, ecofeminism or ecological feminism is a term coined in 1974 by François d'Aubigné. This term relates human being and nature. It discusses about the interrelationship of women and our environment and how the condition of women is greatly connected with the condition of environment. So, from here we can decide what is ecofeminism. Students, ecofeminism emphasizes the relationship between women and nature. Second, it also draws intersection between man's dominance of nature and oppression of women. Third is, the nature and women are both controlled, dominated and exploited by the same cause, patriarchal hierarchy. Fourth is, the mistreatment of women is mirrored in the mistreatment of nature. And fifth is, women are uniquely at risk from environmental destruction. Next is ecological perspectives. Students, ecofeminism describes movement and philosophies that link feminism with ecology. It links feminism, that is female, with environment. Ecofeminism connects the exploitation and domination of women with that of the environment and argues that there is a connection between women and nature. That means that nature and women share a great bond with each other. Students, ecofeminists believe that this connection, the connection of environment with female, is illustrated through female values of reciprocity. Reciprocity is giving back of what they are getting. Nurturing means taking care. As a female person takes care of her family, same like that, environment also takes care of the human being and all the other living beings which are there in the environment. And cooperation. Students, we know that a female member of the family always cooperates in tough situations. And same like that, environment also takes care and cooperates with us when we are in tough situations. The feeling of the value of reciprocity, nurturing and cooperation, they are present in both women and in nature. Next is that women and nature are also united through their shared history of oppression by a patriarchal Western society. The Green Belt, Chipko movement and Love Canal all had one common thing, which was a strong leadership of women. They all raised up their voice in order to save environment. Amrita Devi Bishnoi was one of the Indian activists who favored ecofeminism and sacrificed her life along with 363 others to save kejri trees near Jodhpur in Rajasthan in 1730. There is another live personality, Vandana Shiva, who says we are either going to have a future where women lead the way to make peace with the earth, or we are not going to have a human future at all. She was the one who was an active participant in Chipko movement in 1970s, as she wrote journals about Chipko movement. She strongly believed that women have a connection with the environment as they interact with nature far more than men on daily basis. So, at the end we will say that ecofeminism strongly believes destroy the patriarchy rather than destroying environment or women.